Guys, please remember that there's a 5 time limit, and I'm trying to find a better recording app. Just remember that. So this is a part 2, guys. Back at it again. Wait, I want to see what my friend raps about. Hold on. Okay, let's see. Okay, I have a joke. It's what is your life? Whoa, whoa. He literally just said whoa for himself. Whoa. Oh, this guy says he has no bars. Whoa, that's that's crazy. You know what she just said? Bro, you're old. No, you might as well leave the server. Leave now. There's no point of staying. Leave. Leave the server. I'm not even kidding. There's no point of staying. Leave. Leave! You're too trash. She needs to win. Did you hear what she just said? She said for what? Oh, she said not even on beat. Oh, oh, oh. Well, I really thought you were gonna get wrecked. I was for sure that. Wait, it didn't even let me vote. Oh, I get to play. I get to play. Get ready to die, fool. What the freak? I got I got flung. That wasn't even me. Bro, there has to be a hacker in the server. I'm I'm genuinely convinced that this guy's a hacker. He has to be hacking. Because he's like trying to wait till it's his turn. He's like, no, what he could be doing. Yes, I'm going again. Wait, is it the same person as last time? That's what it should be. Bruh. She got flung too, I think. Or she left. Wait, hold on. I gotta move it real quick. I'm Flash. Curse word, curse word, curse word. That right, you can't. Curse word, curse word. I'll roast you till you turn black like coal and you look like. Guys, let's just end the video right here. There's no point to continue. I'm back. She genuinely roasted me. I'm feeling cold all of a sudden. No, like I'm actually really feeling cold all of a sudden. I'm gonna get you back. I make no. I make you suffer like like a sad puffer. Whoa! I don't know what that is. Yes, yes, that was too fire for her. She got. I spit bars too hard for her. I spit bars. She was so shocked from my. I'm just trying to be funny here, and then just frick. Probably today, definitely. Sorry, guys. No, not right now. I'm recording. But the thing is, I got flung again. Okay, bro. I swear there's a hacker. Die, hacker. Yes. Wait. I didn't even know. I didn't even know I was up. That would be a good title, actually. Yeah, you guys can't hear him, sadly. He's trying to talk, but I want to hear. I got flung again. Bro. We keep getting flung. Definitely is. Oh my god. That girl roasted me so hard. I was never able to come back. I'm getting chills. I'm getting chills. No, let's see how much time there's left in this video. Because a freaking screencastify. 30 seconds left. It says right there. It says right there. No, it's because it's a hacker. That's why. It's not because they don't want to commit try. It's not because they want to commit try. It's because they're freaking hacker. I know a perfect way to end this video off.